In the previous video, we set up our parcels. Now we're going to move on and deal with the plates. We can go back to the dashboard either by just clicking on the dashboard tab, or we can use these navigation buttons on the top left-hand corner of all the sheets. And we can jump back to the dashboard from anywhere in this workbook.
So the best part of the kitchen really is the eating. And here we get down to the eating, the consumption. So as we open up the plates section, we'll see that there's many options you have. We have examples A, B, C, and we also have different categories, again, which you could look at. But let's just look at 4 for now. Let's say we use transportation and clothing, shelter, and food. We'll keep it simple. And shelter and food. Now you'll notice something interesting here is that we have the plates and then the priorities. This is important because here we start to think carefully what's most important to us. Now probably we've got this misordered. So let's say after much contemplation we say, yep, we got to eat first. So we'll put food as number 1 and clothing, we probably wouldn't leave the house without clothing, so that'll be number 2. Shelter will be number 3 and transportation will be number 4. So that will be our prioritized or prioritized, if there's such a word, system of organizing our plates. And as we look down, we see in fact we have those 4 priorities that show up in the way we want them to show up. Of course, if you were a micro business, you could actually tailor it to your own preference and even put the taxation number on there if you want to prepare for your tax returns. However, let's just look at January and we'll see that we have the spreadsheet automatically adjusts to the number of plates that we are using in our kitchen.